Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit this beautifully made presentation, which is free, in the Moda agent without any design skills. So let's go! I shared this post on X a few weeks ago, and you can actually find 40 free slides made by me. They are all different, they can serve different purposes for your content, for your clients, etc, etc. So you can just steal them, save this video, and reuse them forever. So how do we start? You click the link to that presentation or this presentation or any of them. I will put the link to this tweet under this video in the description, and you will be redirected here. So to work with that file, you just click copy this file and the Moda will copy it for you. In case you are not a registered user, you will need to register on the website. As you can see, I made 8 slides for you in that deck. They're all animated. You can play the animation here. You go to the right menu, open the animate tab and click play. So this animation is 5 seconds, but you can make it longer because the shaders are quite easy to extend. So check this out. Every slide is animated for you. Editing everything in Moda is quite easy. So for example, let's start with text editing. Just double click on that and type in something, something like that. And voila, you've got it edited. Same works with all the rest layers. You just find your layer, highlight it by hovering over that, and double click on the layer and then change the text. Regarding layers, all of them are living here. So if you will choose this option, so you will see all of your slides. If you need to edit this slide precisely, you select the slide, go here and click layers. So here, let's extend it a little bit. You can see all the layers inside of your slide, which is called opener. So you can see that one. So as you can see here, we've got this shape layer. Here we've got this text layer, shape, and blah, blah, blah. Also background. No, sorry. It was my logo folder. So you can delete that or just hide this layer and insert your logo by just insert image. Everything that is uploaded by you to Moda stays here. And it's quite easy to navigate through your files. Let's say I want to select this logo, which is my logo actually. I hide this layer. I select my logo. I scale it down all the way. You can press Ctrl and zoom in on your mouse. And yeah, you will get here. How to work with that even easier. You've got the main killer feature in that canvas, which is called chat, which is basically your AI agent that can help you edit designs. Let's say we need to adjust this slide. I need to do some complex work like I want the agent to change the whole slide and to use the real data from completely another market. So let's see how it will perform, and you will see real power of this tool. So the agent went to the internet, did its research, and applied all the necessary data into our slide. And so this way you can navigate your design process without actually doing all the tough manual work, even if you're not a designer. Plus, of course, you can use my templates that are built for you, so you can simply take it, reuse it, and work with that. You go here, page background color, and you can either adjust the existing shader on the background here by changing its colors. Let's say we will change it to something like red or pinky maybe. We will change this one to something like, let's say this dark, maybe even black. We go to animate and play the shader. I actually kind of like this gradient. You can change your shaders like that. You can completely change the shader by selecting your layer, going here, and selecting a different shader. Let's say we will choose this one. Go to animate and play. So you can see now we've got another shader on the background. To change it, again, click here, go to details, go to shaders, change the speed. Let's see. Also, let's say you want this background to be applied to all the rest layers. So you go here and you ask the agent to do so. Apply this background. Hit send and go drink your tea or coffee or whatever. So you just ask the agent, it does the heavy lifting. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm just beginning. So I'm super happy to have you, to teach you, to share my experience and knowledge about AI and design here. So I will be dropping way more videos and way more tutorials. So make sure you are saving all of my templates. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next episodes. Thanks.